Yo, what's up everybody? I'm Superior Shelby. You know I'm coming to you with some hits always, okay? Today we're actually gonna review my good friend's car. We're gonna review a 73 Chevy Caprice on 26-inch Savini wheels. You don't wanna miss this. You wanna continue watching the video. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. Come on, let's check it out. Yo, so you guys know I'm here with my good friend Chico. What's up, man?
What's going on, Chevy? Everything good with you?
It's hot.
Y'all got me in this slave heat.
I'm trying to tell you, but the car looks good, though.
Appreciate it.
Chico is one of those OG, not even OG, he's just a legend. He's just everything when it comes down to this car game. If you guys have actually seen this particular car, obviously on IG, and the classic anywhere, you know this is a hit, so I had to go over Chico's car. So I do want to go over like all of the custom features. Obviously, we want to start with the color because it's super hitting. Tell me about the color and what you had to go through to get this color.
Well, this is a one-off custom color made by JIT at Masters of Body and Dade. Paint came through with Hot Shots. It took them, you know, a couple months to come up with this color. It was just a one-off. It's more like a Tiffany color mixed in with a bunch of gold and this, that, and the third. I don't want to give out too much because, you know, a lot of people been trying to cover my color, so we ain't gonna give you all the details to the recipe, but just know that's what it is.
Man, it looks super good. Tiffany and Co. Ladies, you already know this is that Tiffany blue. So instantly when he said that, I was like, oh my God, that is like literally that blue. So I really love that Tiffany and Co. blue. And then you actually have this peach pink right here, right?
Yeah, it's a peach. It's a peach. I forgot the exact name color that the interior was put into, but the whole interior and the outside is the same thing. It's like a peach, pretty much a peach color. A lot of people think the car is like a dolphin color.
Right.
It looks that way on video, but it's not. You know, it's nothing to do with the Dolphins. I'm not a Dolphin fan, so I don't do.
Thanks for clearing that up. For real, like, you know, like this. And when I first seen it too, when Ace brought it to me, I was like, bro, Chico car look like Dolphins. He was like, no, when you see it, and when you guys get the chance to see this car in person, you will see that this is not orange or anything. It's just the sun hits it so good, and this color is so good, and it was painted so good, it looks like that. But no, this is peach. And this is the Tiffany & Co. blue mixed with a little bit of okay?
Some other stuff.
Yeah, some other stuff. We got rose gold on your accents, obviously for your pieces. Obviously, you have to have those details.
Definitely.
Rose gold here, rose gold for the Chevy Caprice.
The whole thing's got Sandman design. Yeah. All the trimming on the side was done in rose gold. Ooh. I mean, the whole car was pretty much done with the little accents. Yes. Rose gold. Nunes did the interior on the car, so you know we came up with a detailed plan with JIT. Yeah. And you know he's like, look, this is, you know, what do you think it is, so and so forth. Yeah. So the car was pretty much detailed like that, and we just ran with it when we put it together. It was just a different type of color. So yeah. It worked, I like this, thankfully. The carpeting is really good. Appreciate here too. It. Thank you. Yeah, you guys definitely did a raw job. The leather, everything feels really good. You know how my people do down here. We ain't even playing with the leather, none of that. Listen, y'all know what to expect with this car. And then I want to talk about your rims. Okay. So you went 26-inch Savinis. Right. And then you did rose gold, and you kept the lip chrome. Correct. Tell me why these particular rims. I just like the design, man. I seen them on another car. I ain't finna cap and say I didn't. You know what I'm saying? I seen them on a car that I actually love looking at, and his was brushed, and I said, you know what, I want that same rim. So when I went ahead and got them, and we went to the detail, I had them out and got them powder coated pink rose gold. So it just ended out that way. I mean, I just love how it looked, the way it flows when you drive the car, the way the wheels chop while you're driving. It's just a different look.
These are really, really, really good. I like the chrome lip actually. Instead of going full rose gold, you could have did it, but it still matches with everything because
you got a little chrome still in the car and stuff, so you got to have both worlds. You know what I mean?
And you got it, and it looks really good. This brush, this rose gold, I love brush anything. So brush rose gold looks even better. And actually, in person, these Savinis look really good. Actually, I don't even think I've seen these before. That's why I'm looking like, dang, they look good. I know they choppy when they on. And then you did the brake caliber here, so you brought that same Tiffany coat.
We did all that.
And then, you know, I want to check out your motor. I want to see what's going on. You know, y'all know how Chico come. Okay, Chico ain't half. I could never do that. Oh, Chico!
Crazy.
Chico be looking me, bro. Chico told me to call. You know, I got a little LS. You know, she acting like this shit raggedy. Bro, look at this. This is crazy. Tell me what's going on here. What's going on? This shit too new. It's crazy.
This is a LS2. I'm not gonna give you the specs to it. It's just a regular LS, nothing major. All the work was done by my dog Rick at Strictly Business Racing. You know what I mean? He pretty much did the drivetrain and everything on it, but yeah, this is just a basic LS, man.
Basic LS.
Nothing fancy, man. Just a grocery go-getter.
A grocery go-getter. I like that. That's crazy. This looks super nice, super new. This is how a motor is supposed to look, y'all. Like when you buying something fresh and new, it's nice and super clean. Obviously, you guys know this. Chico doesn't drive his car. He's not like a grocery real go-getter every day. No, he gonna take it to somewhere and park it. And even if you parking it, it's still supposed to look really nice and clean, super organized. New batteries, everything's super nice. So you did your thing.
I appreciate it.
You already know.
Thank you.
These my people. Okay, we gotta shake these hips, get this down.
Hold on.
Hey, what's up everybody? Superior Shelby here, and I got a new hot product for y'all. Clean It Right Auto Care. That's right, Clean It Right Auto Care. This is their Rocky Road non-acid wheel cleaner. So it's particularly for rims like this, colored rims, brush face rims, whatever rims it is, but this will give your rims a deep clean, and it actually smells kind of good for a wheel cleaner. So if you want to get some of this product or any other product out there that Clean It Right Auto has, make sure you visit their website, cleanmyrims.com, or just follow them on Instagram at Clean It Right Auto. See you guys soon. Peace! Yes. I like this color. This color is really nice in here. What is this color called inside?
Peach.
Peach? Period.
I'm not really sure the exact name to it, but we just call it peach.
I like this color. It's really nice. And then I like how you got this is rose gold you did right here.
Yes.
So, and you got a matching wheel. Yes. That's nice. You gotta have a matching wheel. If you're doing anything like this, you need a matching wheel. Everything inside gotta be nice. You got digital dash. You got everything new. So instead of going original, you kept everything nice and new. Feels good actually. And then you got speakers in the background.
Everything.
So what kind of music we rocking with?
You got 412s, max.
412. Gee.
412 match, everything match pretty much inside. It's got 16 inch highs.
Yeah.
As you see, everything's up to date. I mean, I try to keep it as old school as I could with a little bit of modern upgrade. You know what I mean? Like, especially for this, you know.
412. You got them marching bands in here. 412. I can hear you from 4 blocks away, 12 blocks away. That's crazy. I like this. I like this color. So, and when I instantly seen this car, I thought about like Miami Dolphins. Is that like what you was going for?
Actually, you know, everybody says that, but it's not dolphin colors.
No.
It's a totally different. This is like it's a custom one-off made by Hot Shot and Jitfly.
Yeah.
This is like I think it's a Tiffany color.
Yeah. Oh, like Tiffany and Cole.
Right. Exactly. It's a Tiffany color mixed in with a little bit of copper and rose gold and other stuff that he did. I'm not gonna give out to everybody.
Yeah. Everybody's
been trying to copy my color, so
yeah.
that off.
Okay, cool. I like it. That's super dope. I would never thought about that Tiffany and Co. So this is cute. It's like a Tiffany and Co.
Right.
The Tiffany and Co. You know, type of Caprice. You know what I'm saying? I don't even know nothing about this right here.
73.
73. Okay, on the 26 Savinis. Okay. I like this. This is super nice. Everything is nice. So you redid it when you first bought the car, right? And when you first bought the car, how long did it take you to like do the entire thing?
It took me 4 years to do the whole car.
4 years?
Yeah.
That's about right though.
Really? Listen, we're not even gonna get into that because you know I can start naming back a bunch of shops that could have been did a long time ago, but
yeah,
it's just the nature of the business with how this car game is now. People, you know, take money and whatnot, how we and whatever.
Yeah, and we always talk about that on my channel too, like how sometimes you know you can get got in this situation. So definitely want to go to a shop that people recommend that you know is good and that's gonna have your what you need out on time because that's always the biggest issue.
That's the bad part of the game. You know what I'm saying? Like the people, you know, they say it on IG and behind the bar they never name like the shops that actually do it.
Yeah.
But the car game will be a whole lot easier if these shops will actually do what they're paid to do.
Yeah.
Which is stop taking it positive and just do your job. You understand what I'm saying? And stop screwing people over pretty much.
I get it.
That's the worst part of the game.
I get
these
it.
shops.
And the longest part of the game. That's what takes the longest. When you unorganized, it takes a long time.
It takes a minute for you to find the right group. Like once you find the right team of people that like understand and get paid, it goes a whole lot smoother.
Yeah.
Under a year if you got the right people.
Yeah, you are absolutely correct. That is true. I've seen one of these built in under a year from the paint down. I'm talking about we starting from the frame all the way. And yeah, it can happen, but you're absolutely right. You gotta have that team, and it's hard to find that team, especially in this heat.
Yes.
Okay, but yeah, look at we sliding. So have you ever raced this car?
No.
No.
Not for that.
So you just cruising. You got this one.
I barely drive this car.
Really? So you keep it up.
Since it's wash, wax, and right back in the garage.
Oh my God. Just like everybody else, keep it in. I see, I be wanting to take my hair out.
You know how it feels right there.
Yeah. Yeah, so are you going to cut some plastic?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Definitely.
So you coming to hang out.
I'm definitely taking that for the first time. I've been waiting 4 years to drive my car.
Yeah. So you want to drive it up there?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, so you live.
Now, this is LS Power, so I'm not.
Oh, it's LS. Excuse me. Yeah, it's going to get you there. I was about to say, yeah. LS there is going to get you there for sure. Well, I really do appreciate it right like this. This is nice right here. Y'all, this Tiffany and Co. man, this is rich. I ain't never heard of that. And this say Tiffany and Co. What y'all know about Tiffany and Co. around here? This is nice. Well, you know what? When I see you in class, don't be no crazy. You already know.
You and Ace are good for me.
Yes, that's what's up. Now we're gonna get right back to your review. We got more to review.
Absolutely.
Yo, so you guys, I have really enjoyed my good friend Chico. He's a character. I already know how he is. Make sure you guys go follow him. I'll put his IG down below. And if you've enjoyed this video, make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on push notifications for me on your YouTube channel, please. And you already know, but if you want to see any more pictures of this custom car or any other custom car, SUV in the nation and the land, you make sure you visit aswift.net. That's aswift.net. Don't you ever forget it. And until next time, I'm Superior Shelby, and I will check you guys' hits out next time. Peace!